Hello, good morning my dear students. Welcome to my channel Physics in Motion. Today we are going to discuss about the expected cutoff in NEET 2021 for government and private medical colleges of Maharashtra. महाराष्ट्र के गवर्नमेंट और प्राइवेट मेडिकल कॉलेजेस के लिए हम लोग एक्सपेक्टेड कट ऑफ जानना चाहते हैं नीट 2021 के लिए कि क्या क्या कट ऑफ रहने वाली है फॉर डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स. नेक्स्ट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल बी स्टार्टिंग विद ACPM मेडिकल कॉलेज धुले. ACPM मेडिकल कॉलेज धुले फॉर मेल एंड फीमेल कैंडिडेट्स इन जनरल कैटेगरी द क्लोजिंग रैंक शुड बी नियर अबाउट 556. लगभग 556 के आसपास अगर आपका स्कोर है तो आपको इस गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज में एडमिशन मिल जाना चाहिए. अगर आप ओबीसी कैटेगरी को बिलोंग करते हैं तो द क्लोजिंग स्कोर शुड बी नियर अबाउट 555 फॉर ओबीसी कैटेगरी. देन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अश्विनी रूरल मेडिकल कॉलेज एंड हॉस्पिटल फॉर मेल एंड फीमेल कैंडिडेट्स इन जनरल कैटेगरी द क्लोजिंग रैंक शुड बी नियर अबाउट 532 एंड इफ यू आर फ्रॉम ओबीसी कैटेगरी you must get this college at a score of about 527. Next we are talking about BKL Valavalkar Rural Medical College Ratnagiri. General category 526 and OBC 524 for both male and female candidates. And yes, Bairamji Jijaboy Government Medical College Pune, the general category closing score should be near about 535 for both male and female candidates from plains, and for OBC it should be 617. And yes, if you are from hilly areas then the closing score will be a bit higher. It should be near about 653 for general category males and females, and for OBC category it should close at a score of near about 622. Next, Dr. Punjab Rao Deshmukh Medical College Amravati, 536 for general candidates and 536 for OBC candidates. If your score is in this range, you can expect of getting admission into this college. Next one is Shankar Rao Chavan Government Medical College Nanded. General category 590, OBC 580 for both males and females from plains. And if you are from hilly areas, general category 590 and OBC should be available at near about 577. Next we are talking about Dr. Ulhas Patil Medical College and General Hospital Jalgaon. So for this college your score should be near about 549 from general category, and if you are a OBC then also same range of score is required to get admission into this college. Next one is Vaishampayan Memorial Government Medical College Solapur. General category 599 and OBC 590 from plains, and if you are from hilly areas you require a minimum score of about 601. Next, Vasant Rao Pawar, Dr. Vasant Rao Pawar Medical College and Hospital. General category 556 and OBC 560 for males, and for females we think it should close near about 556. Next, Dr. Vittal Rao Patil Foundations Medical College, Ahmednagar. General category closing score should be near about 540. And OBC male 540 and female should be near about 538. Next, Government Medical College Baramati. General 594, OBC 579 from plain areas, and if you are from hilly areas you require a score of 590 from general category and 580 for OBC category. Next, Government Medical College and Hospital Jalgaon. For this medical college 578 score is required through general category and 571 through OBC category. Next, Government Medical College Nagpur. General category 615, OBC category 608, and yes, if you are from hilly areas then the score required is 616 for male candidates and 609 for female candidates from general category, and if you are through OBC category then a score of 601 is sufficient to get admission into this college. Next is Government Medical College Akola. For this college, plain areas for both male and female candidates in general and OBC, the cutoff score is going to be somewhat same around 584. But if you are from hilly areas, general category 587 and OBC should be available at near about 570. Next, Government Medical College Aurangabad. General category 612 and OBC 600 for plain areas, and for hilly areas 603 for general, and OBC should go a bit higher what we think in this area, 606. Next, Government Medical College Chandrapur. General category 575 and OBC 571. This should be the minimum score to get admission into this college. What we say cutoff, expected cutoff for NEET 2021, and for hilly areas it should be available at near about 577. Next, Government Medical College Gondia. For this college in Gondia, general category 572 and OBC 569 score is required. Next, for hilly area, general category 574 and OBC 563. This score can help you getting admission into this college. Next, Government Medical College Latur. General category 585, OBC 576 from plains, and from hilly areas it should be 589 for males and 585 for females. Next, we are talking about Government Medical College Miraj. General category 596 and OBC must be available at 581. And yes, if you are from hilly areas and you have a score of around 612, higher score is required, a bit higher score. In general category hilly areas 612 and OBC should be available at near about 582. Next, Government Medical College Nandurbar. General category 572, OBC 568 for plain areas, and yes, if you are from hilly areas then 578 male and 577 for female in general category, and OBC male and female both scores should be near about 568 to get admission into this medical college. Next, Grant Medical College and Sir JJ Group of Hospitals Mumbai. Very good college, in fact a very good college in Mumbai. General category 630 score is required. If you have a score in the range of 630, then you can expect of getting admission into Grant Medical College through state quota. And if you have a score of 623 in OBC category, you are from OBC category, then for male candidates the score required is around 623, and for female candidates the score required is around 619. And yes, if you are from hilly areas, then a much higher score is required to get admission into this college for male candidates, and it's around 651. And yes, for female candidates it should close near about 628. For OBC category the score should be somewhere near about 622. Next, HBT Medical College and Dr. R.N. Cooper MMC and General Hospital Mumbai. General category plains 622 for both males and females, and yes, if you are from OBC category then the males closing score should be near about 607, and for female candidates it should be near about 606. If you are from hilly areas then 627 for male candidates in general category and 623 for female candidates in general category. And yes, if you are from OBC category then a 607 score will be sufficient to get admission into this college. So I hope so you all are aware, well aware with your ranks, with your marks, and you can plan very well accordingly. You can plan how to get admission into the college, what is the strategy of getting admission for MBBS courses into different colleges. So plan well, and all the rounds of counseling should be done with full focus. Means first round of counseling, if you are getting a very good college, lock it. If you are not getting a good college, then wait for the second round. So in case in second round score comes a bit down, but it is observed for last 2 or 3 years that in mop-up round score goes a bit higher. So just plan accordingly, plan well, so that you get admission according to your capacity, you get admission in a good college according to your score. And I wish you all a very best, that you all get admissions into the esteemed colleges that you are desiring for. Come on, let us move on to the video further. It's Indian Institute of Medical Science and Research, Jalna. For general category, the closing score should be 523 for male candidates, and for female candidates it should be near about 522. Next, Indira Gandhi Government Medical College, Nagpur. General 601, OBC 600 for candidates from plain areas. And if you are from hilly area, then the closing score for general category should be 608 and for OBC should be 591. Kasturba Health Science, Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Medical Science, Sevagram. A very good medical college, in fact a very good medical college in Maharashtra. General category closing score should be 594 and OBC should be 585. It's a very good college, but if you observe the score, the cutoff score is a bit lower as compared to other government medical colleges because it is run by a NGO and the fee structure is higher, even much higher as compared to that of the government colleges. So that's why the score is a bit down, but the quality of education of this college is awesome. Next, KJ Somya Medical College and Research Center, Mumbai. It should be available at 569 for general candidates, males as well as females, and if you belong to OBC category, you can get it at 560 and 558 respectively for male and female candidates. Next, Lokmanya Tilak Municipal General Hospital and Lokmanya Tilak Municipal Medical College, Mumbai. General category 631 and OBC 612, and for hilly area candidates, general must be available at 645 for male candidates, 627 for female candidates, and yes, if you belong to OBC category, you can get it at 611 score. Maharashtra Institute of Medical Education and Research, Pune. 542 in general category and 543 in OBC category. In some places, we observe that the cutoff of OBC is a bit higher than that of the general category candidates. This is all analysis. Actually, it depends in that particular area where the college is. People prefer to take colleges nearby. If the strength of OBC candidates is more, they are applying more as compared to general candidates. It is observed that due to the population density, the living criteria, how many OBC people reside in that area, everyone wants to get admission into the college nearby. Very few people want to move away. That's why the cutoff of OBC sometimes goes higher as compared to the general category. Next, Maharashtra Institute of Medical Science, Latur. General category 547 and OBC should be available at 546. Next, NKP Salve Institute of Medical Science and Research, Lata Mangeshkar Hospital, Nagpur. General category 536 and OBC 536. Same score for both the categories in this college. Next, Prakash Institute of Medical Science, Sangli. General category must be available at 526 and OBC at 525. Next, Rajarshi Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj Government Medical College, Kolhapur. Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj Government Medical College, Kolhapur. General must be available at 594, and if you belong to OBC category, then 580 score can get you admission for MBBS course into this college. And next, Rajiv Gandhi Memorial College and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Hospital, Thane. General 618 and OBC 599. And if you are from hilly areas, it's 621 for general and OBC 599. Next, one of the best medical colleges of Maharashtra as well as India, I must say, one of the top ranked, high quality of education. This college, Seth Govardhan Das Sundar Das Medical College and King Edward Memorial Medical College, Mumbai. One of the best medical colleges in Mumbai, Maharashtra as well as in India. It is among the leading colleges due to its quality of education, its patient inflow. All the facilities provided here are awesome. So let us see, for general category, a higher score is required. The minimum score that you must require to get admission into this college is 657 for general category, males as well as female. If you are from OBC category, it's a bit down, 641 for both males as well as females. Yes, if you are from hilly areas, the score required is still higher, 671 and 660 for male and female candidates. Sri Bhau Saheb Hire Government Medical College and Hospital, Chakrabarti. General category 583 and OBC 573, and then 581 for hilly areas. Next, Sri Vashantrao Naik Medical College. The closing score should be near about 580 for plain areas, male as well as female general category, and for OBC it should be 577. And then for hilly areas it should be 589 and 578 respectively to general category, and if you are from OBC category it should be 569. Next, Sindhudurg Shikshan Prasharak Mandal Medical College and Lifetime Hospital, general category 520 and OBC 518 and 517 respectively for male and female candidates. Next is Singhad Technical Education Society Medical College and General Hospital, Ambegaon, general category 529 and OBC must be available at 527. Next we are talking SMBT Institute of Medical Science and Research, Nasik, general 524 and OBC 523 for both male as well as female candidates. Swami Ramanand Tirth Rural Government Medical College, general category 581, OBC 573 for plains, and for hilly areas it should be 581 and 572 in general and OBC candidate, male as well as female candidates. Next, Prerna Medical College, Navi Mumbai, one of the good private medical colleges in Mumbai, general category 565, OBC 562. Next, Topiwala National Institute, National Medical College and BYL Nair Charitable Hospital, Mumbai, Topiwala, one of the best institutes again for medical studies for MBBS courses. Through plain areas you require a minimum score of 630 in both male as well as female category. For OBC candidates it should close at near about 627, and yes, if you are from hilly areas then again 630 for general categories, and OBC can go a bit down around 603. Next, Vedanta Institute of Medical Science, Palghar, general category 483 and OBC 474. These were the medical colleges in Maharashtra. If you have not subscribed, subscribe the channel. If you have not yet subscribed it, press the bell icon for further notifications, and wish you all very best wishes from Physics in Motion. Stay tuned with the channel, like the video, and thank you very much. See you all soon in the next video. Goodbye.